Good morning, friends. The director of this workshop, Dr. Maura Cesaria, has invited me to say a few words to the participants of this workshop. My name is Rino Di Bartolo. I taught for a number of years at Boston College. I was also a member of the staff of the Majorana Center of Erice. This double service allowed me to go to Erice during every summer to direct events in the field of spectroscopy. This arrangement pleased me because it allowed me to see my parents in Trapani every year. Often I had the opportunity of going to Italy after London during the Christmas vacation. My mother used to say that she would see me more than my brother. But the difference was that I lived in Boston and he lived in Naples. With the passing of time, several of the places of work that were established in Erice moved to Trapani. For example, the hospital of Erice moved to Trapani. These movements were allowed by the increased use of the automobiles. So several structures in Erice became available. Professor Zikigi, a native of Trapani like me, planned to use these structures as the basis of the Ettore Majorana Center he had just founded. The center, with the name of prestigious physicist from Sicily, Majorana, acquired soon fame and funds and became an important presence in the physics Italian research. We all know of the mysterious disappearance of Majorana from a ship going from Naples to Sicily. The importance of Majorana's work remained. To this day, we do not know what happened to him. I remember a curious event that took place at the Majorana Center. Two participants, husband and wife, were celebrating the anniversary of their wedding. I was charged with expressing to all the participants our best wishes. In the middle of my speech, I forgot the name of the couple. There was silence and embarrassment. I did not know what to do. Fortunately, a person came to my help while whispering to my ear the name of the couple, and my speech was saved. The time we live in is not one of the best. We have nations against nation, armed and warring, and within each nation there are internal fights. We are oppressed by political misadventures. Our workshop is a point of light, made bright by the direction of Mauro Cesaria. My collaborators for several years, and now directors of events dealing with spectroscopy at the Majorana Center. We are lucky to have her as the director of my workshop. To close, I recommend to you an active participation in the proceedings of this workshop, and I transmit to you my best wishes. Thank you.